kitchen, honey. Look.
Hey, baby, see?
It's Dada. Yes.
She's too fast.
She's too fast. Keep going. Are we walking?
We're sprinting.
Oh, empty wine bottles. Should we walk towards Dada? Keep going.
Hey, baby, see? Hi. Too slow, Mama.
Oh, let's go see Dada. This baby's too fast.
She doesn't want to walk. She wants to sprint.
I know. Okay, so we... Yeah. You're just
Hey, Corin.
a